friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. So welcome back to your computer class, and from today we are going to start our chapter number 4, the mouse. So I hope आपने previous chapter का अपना revise किया होगा, क्योंकि आज हम जा रहे हैं आपके book का new chapter start करने, and chapter name is the mouse. So basically हम इस chapter में mouse के बारे में cover up करेंगे. Okay, let's see learning in this chapter. Types of mouse, how to hold a mouse and mouse actions. Okay, so ये topics हम इस chapter में clear cover up करने हैं. Let's see children, the mouse is a pointing device, right? We have already understood this one in our previous classes and also in previous chapter. It helps us draw pictures and play games. ये हमें क्या मदद करती है? Draw करने में help करती है, pictures को और games खेलने में help करती है. So a mouse usually has 2 or more buttons on it. The scroll mouse is more in use nowadays. Why? Because उसमें scroll wheel होता है. It has right and left button and a scroll wheel at the center, which also serves as the third button. Here you can see the picture. In this picture, we have 3 buttons: left button, right button and scroll wheel. Now, an arrow called a pointer on the screen. जो आपका arrow computer screen पे नजर आता है, that is called pointer, appears on the screen when we use the mouse. It is used to point at and select things on the screen. और बच्चों, जो आपको pointer होता है वो किसी भी items को जो आपके desktop पे या file explorer में present है उसे select करने में help करता है. Now here you can see this is a picture of the desktop and here you can see the pointer. Okay, now did you know the mouse is usually placed and moved on a mouse pad? Why? Because आपका जो माउस है उसे स्मूथ सरफेस पे वर्क कराया जाता है, क्योंकि रफ सरफेस पे वो सही से वर्क नहीं करता. So in that case we use a mouse pad, that is a smooth surface for a well working of mouse. Now types of mouse. So there are different type of mouse: optical mouse, लेजर माउस एंड वायरलेस माउस. सो बेसिकली बच्चों, माउसेस के भी जो है वो टाइप होते हैं. ओके, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ माउस. जो पहला है वो है आपका ऑप्टिकल माउस. An optical mouse has a LED light. बच्चों, LED light के बारे में आपने सुना होगा. Okay, light emitting diode has a LED light under it which tracks the movement of the pointer. कुछ माउसेस आपने ऐसे देखे होंगे, जैसे ही वो आपके सिस्टम से कनेक्ट होते हैं उसमें एक लेजर लाइट सी आती है रेड कलर की. That is called LED light. Okay, जो कि क्या करती है, आपके पॉइंटर के मूवमेंट को ट्रैक करती है. Next you have laser mouse. What? Laser mouse. A laser mouse has a laser light under it to track the movement of the pointer. We can see light under the mouse. Here you can see, we can see the light under the mouse. और laser mouse भी जो उसके अंदर लेजर लाइट प्रेजेंट होती है वो भी क्या करती है, माउस के मूवमेंट, यानी जो आपका कर्सर, आपको जो पॉइंटर नजर आ रहा होता है स्क्रीन पे मूव करता हुआ, उसके मूवमेंट को वो क्या करती है, ट्रैक करती है. नेक्स्ट यू डू हैव वायरलेस माउस. ओके, नाम से ही पता चल गया होगा दैट दिस माउस डजंट हैव वायर, right? So wireless mouse is not attached to the CPU box through a wire because it doesn't have a wire but it has a Bluetooth connection US. इसमें आपका क्या होता है, एक USB आती है and you connect this USB to your computer system. Okay, and it works through radio signals. Now how to hold a mouse? Hold the mouse gently with the palm of your right hand. Hold it with your thumb and last 2 fingers. अब बच्चों, अब यहाँ पे हमें बताया गया है माउस को कैसे होल्ड किया जाए. So basically there is a correct way, like a posture. We do have a posture to sit, right? So आपका माउस को पकड़ने के लिए भी एक करेक्ट वे होता है. Put your index finger on the left mouse button. Put your middle finger on the right mouse button. Okay, so that will be right. इधर आपको right लिखना है. So basically आप ध्यान से देखिए, जो आपका लेफ्ट बटन है माउस का, उस पे आपने इंडेक्स फिंगर को रखा है एंड जो राइट बटन है उस पे आपने मिडिल फिंगर को रखा है. ठीक है, एंड बीच में आपका क्या है, स्क्रॉल व्हील है. हेल्पिंग टिप देखिए बच्चों क्या है, move the mouse in different directions. Okay, see how the pointer moves on the screen. It is very easy to use, okay, and understand. और यहाँ पे आप जो एक सरफेस देख पा रहे हैं, that is called mouse pad. Okay, for the better movement of mouse. Now let's see mouse actions. So different actions can be done using a mouse, such as click, double click, right click, dragging, scrolling and drag and drop. Okay, so first we are going to understand click. What is click? So gently pressing and releasing the left button once is called click. or left click. We click to select an item on the monitor. So basically, when you will click on the left button of the mouse, that is called click. Okay, only once. Now you do have double click. So gently pressing and releasing the left button twice quickly is called double click. If you are pressing the mouse button, left button, okay, left mouse button twice. How many times? Twice and quickly. There should no gap of time. So time का कोई gap नहीं होना चाहिए. आपको क्या करना है? Gently press करना है twice and very quickly. That is called double click, and we double click to open a file, a folder or a program. So now just connect the points बच्चों कि आपने single click किया to select the item, but double click किया to open an item. Is it clear? Now right click देखिए, right click में क्या बोला है? Pressing and releasing the right button once is called right click. So same as left click, right click भी है, but you are pressing the right button of the mouse. You right click to open a list of things, not a list of things, you can say context menu. Okay, so menu में आपके पास बहुत सारी properties and options होते हैं. So same here, when you do a right click, you will get a list of things that is called context menu. Now let's see the dragging. What is dragging? So moving the mouse while keeping the left button pressed is called dragging. We drag a mouse to draw picture or to move objects from one place to another. So dragging क्या होता है? जब आप माउस को मूव करते हो, ठीक है. सो उस टाइम पे आपको अपने लेफ्ट बटन को प्रेस करके रखना है एंड देन यू हैव टू मूव द माउस व्हाइल प्रेसिंग द लेफ्ट बटन. ओके, सो लेफ्ट बटन को प्रेस करके रखना है एंड माउस को मूव करना है. सो वो आपका ड्रैगिंग कहलाता है. और ड्रैगिंग का यूज कहाँ होता है? फॉर ड्रॉइंग. ओके, अगर आपको कोई पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है देन यू कैन ड्रैग, क्योंकि आपको ड्रॉ करना होता है पेंसिल से, so उस टाइम आपको माउस की ड्रैगिंग की जरूरत पड़ती है. एंड अगर कोई आइटम आपको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह रखना है, प्लेस करना है, देन यू नीड दिस property that is called dragging. Now let's say scrolling. So नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, rolling the scroll wheel up and down is called scrolling. So we scroll the mouse to move up and down the pages. बच्चों अब मैं यहाँ scroll ही तो कर रही हूँ, देखिए आप स्क्रीन ऊपर नीचे हो रही है. So what am I doing here? So I am scrolling the page. जो part visible नहीं है, to see that part I am scrolling. Okay. Now scrolling up and down, we have to you can say actions, scrolling down and scrolling up. Now helping tip, to scroll up, rotate the wheel away from you, and to scroll down, rotate the wheel towards you. Okay, that means downside. Now we have drag and drop. So drag and drop में drag का use होगा. देखिए कैसे. Drag and drop is used to move an item from one position to another on the monitor with the help of the mouse. So what does it mean? You are dragging something and dropping it. That means leaving it. So आपने क्या करा? इस आइकन को यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक ड्रैग करा and you just dropped it. Okay, that means you have released your mouse button. Okay, left button. So vocabulary, let's see the vocabulary. Clicking is to press the left button once. Okay, left mouse button once and releasing it. I told you. So clicking क्या है? आपने left mouse button को बस एक बार क्लिक करा and you have released it. Double click is to press the left mouse button twice within a short period of time and releasing it. Okay, and right click is also same as left click. Why? Because in this case you are pressing the right mouse button and releasing it. Dragging is to move the mouse while keeping the left button pressed. Scrolling is to move page up or down on a computer screen, and drag and drop is a mouse action used to move an item from one position to another on the monitor. Is it clear? Now let's understand in a nutshell. A mouse usually has 2 or 3 buttons on it. How many? Minimum 2 or 3. Okay, so an arrow called a pointer appear on the screen when we use the mouse. एक arrow नजर आता है, that is called pointer on the computer screen whenever you connect your mouse to the computer system or move your mouse. So there are there are different type of mouse called optical mouse, laser mouse and wireless mouse, which we have already covered. Pressing the left button once and releasing it called clicking, right? And pressing the left mouse button twice within a short period of time and releasing it is called double clicking. So left button को, जो आपके माउस का लेफ्ट बटन है, अगर आप इसे प्रेस कर रहे हो ट्वाइस विद इन अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दैट मीन्स वेरी क्विकली, एंड रिलीजिंग इट, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड डबल क्लिक. ओके, सो डबल क्लिक बताया भी था क्यों करते हैं? टू ओपन समथिंग, to open an item. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button is called right click, and moving the mouse while keeping the left button pressed is called dragging. Okay, now to move a page up or down on a computer screen, okay, A computer action used to move an item from one position to another on the monitor is called drag and drop. So बच्चों जब आप कंप्यूटर के पेज को कंप्यूटर में जो आपका पेज है जब उसे आप अप एंड डाउन स्क्रॉल कर रहे होते हो, ओके, दैट इज done by with the help of scroll wheel which is present on the mouse. And जो mouse section बच्चों आप use करते हो एक item को दूसरे item पे place करने के लिए, that is called drag and drop. Is it clear? So that's all for this chapter, student. I hope you have understood the concept which we have covered in this chapter. Now what you have to do, just revise all the topics, okay? And this here you can see exercise is given here. Just check your knowledge and I'll meet you in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring, students. Till then, okay? So bye bye, students.